Eat that crap. Eat that crap. Oh, God! No! You're not supposed to put that in your mouth! Oh, oh, yuck! Ooh! Brat! Eat it. Oh! Brat! What the hell are you doing here? This is my house. What the hell are you doing?
I'm sorry, I just wanted to know, do you want to play Pokemon?
No!
Now? What about now? How about now? Now's a good time. I think you could beat me. No. Think, Algernon, think. It's it. I draw a Pikachu. Oh, crap. Oh, snoodle doodles.
Trust me, Algernon. This is gonna hurt me more than it's gonna hurt you.